So, hello everyone, I am Vishal Yadav, second year physio student. Now I was going to explain one topic in physiotherapy. So my topic was physiological effect of cold in physiotherapy. So cold in physiotherapy, it was automatic goes in a cryotherapy chapter. So now first I was start introduction of cryotherapy. So cryotherapy is a therapeutic application of cold to the body tissue to reduce pain, inflammation, spasm and swelling. Method of application: ice pack, ice massage, cold water immersion and vapor and sprays. So temperature ranges available. So usually between 0 degree Celsius to 80 degree Celsius. Mechanism of heat loss. Cold therapy remove heat from the body through conduction, convection, evaporation and radiation. So conduction was direct transfer of heat from body to cold pack. Convection was heat transfer through moving water or air. Evaporation was loss of heat through vaporization and radiation was emission of heat from the body surfaces. Physiological effect of blood vessels, vasoconstriction. So narrowing of blood vessels, decrease local blood flow, reduces edema and inflammation. Hunting response, alternating vasoconstriction and vasodilation during prolonged cooling, protects tissue and form of cold injury. Benefits, control swelling, minimize tissue damage after injuries. Effect of nervous system, reduce in nerve conduction velocity, like slow transmission of pain signal, produce analgesic effect, pain relief, in increased pain threshold, decrease sensitivity of pain receptor. Effect of muscle spindle, reduce muscle spindle activity, help decrease muscle spasm. Effect of muscular system, decrease muscle spasm, relax muscle by reducing nerve activity, reduce muscle tone, help in management of spasticity, decreases muscle strain temporarily due to reduced nerve conduction. Clinical importance, useful is acute muscle injury and sport injury. So what effect of metabolism? Reduction is a cellular metabolism, decrease oxygen demand of tissue, limit secondary tissue damage. Reduce analgesic activity, slow inflammatory process, benefit like protect tissue after acute injury, promote healing. Effect of inflammation and edema, decrease inflammatory response, reduce release of inflammatory mediator, reduce capillary permeability, less fluid leakage into tissues, control edema formation, prevent excessive swelling, and clinical application like a sprain, a strain, and acute trauma. Effect of connective tissue and joint, increase joint stiffness, temporary decrease in tissue elasticity, reduce collagen stability. A stretching should be performed carefully after cold application, decrease joint pain, improve patient comfort during rehabilitation. So therapeutic use of cryotherapy, indication like acute inflammation, a sprain and strain, muscle spasm, pain management, post-surgical swelling and a sport injury. So what was the benefit? Analgesia, reduced swelling and faster recovery. Contraindication. Contraindication like cold, hypersensitivity, peripheral vascular disease, impaired circulation, open wound. Summary. What was the summary of physiological effect of cold? Vasoconstriction, reduce blood flow, pain relief, reduce inflammation, decrease metabolism, reduce muscle spasm, control edema. So these are my topic. So thank you to all of you. My topic was completed.